Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and only astronomical object known to harbor of the four rocky planets. Earth is the fifth largest and most massive in the solar system, have the diameter 12,756 kilometers, and average distance from Sun is 150 million kilometers. Earth is about 8 light minutes away from the Sun and orbits it, taking a year, about 365.25 days, to complete one revolution. Earth has no rings. This is made possible by Earth being an ocean world, the only one in the solar system sustaining liquid water on surface. Earth is the biggest of four planets closest to the Sun, and by rock and metal. Almost all of Earth's water is contained in its global ocean, covering 70.8% of Earth's crust. The remaining 29.2% of Earth's crust is land, most of which is located in the form of continental land masses within Earth's land hemisphere. Most of Earth's land is at least somewhat humid and covered by vegetation, while large ice sheets at Earth's polar deserts retain more water than Earth's groundwater, lakes, rivers, and atmospheric water combined. Earth's crust consists of slowly moving tectonic plates, which interact to produce mountain ranges, volcanoes, and earthquakes. Earth has a liquid outer core that generates a magnetosphere capable of deflecting most of the destructive solar winds and cosmic radiation. Earth has a dynamic atmosphere, which sustains Earth's surface conditions and protects it from most meteoroids and UV light at entry. It is composed primarily of nitrogen and oxygen. Water vapor is widely present in the atmosphere, forming clouds that cover most of the planet. The water vapor acts as a greenhouse gas and, together with other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, particularly carbon dioxide, CO2, creates the conditions for both liquid surface water and water vapor to persist via the capturing of energy from the sun's light. This process maintains the current average surface temperature of 14 degrees Celsius, at which water is liquid under normal atmospheric pressure. Earth is rounded into an ellipsoid with a circumference of about 40,000 kilometers. It is the densest planet in the solar system. Earth rotates around its own axis in slightly less than a day, in about 23 hours and 56 minutes. Earth's axis of rotation is tilted 23.4 degrees with respect to the plane of Earth's orbit around the Sun. This tilt causes our yearly cycle of seasons. During part of the year, the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the Sun, and the southern hemisphere is tilted away. With the Sun higher in the sky, solar heating is greater in the north, producing summer there. Less direct solar heating produces winter in the south. 6 months later, the situation is reversed. When spring and fall begin, both hemispheres receive roughly equal amounts of heat from the Sun. Earth is orbited by one permanent natural satellite, the Moon, which orbits Earth at 384,400 kilometers 1.28 light seconds, and is roughly a quarter as wide as Earth. Our Moon is the fifth largest, brightest, and most familiar object in the night sky and solar system, after Ganymede, Titan, Callisto, and Io. The Moon's gravity helps stabilize Earth's axis, causes tides, and gradually slows Earth's rotation. Likewise, Earth's gravitational pull has already made the Moon's rotation tidally locked, keeping the same near side facing Earth. Earth, like most other bodies in the solar system, formed about 4.5 billion years ago from gas and dust in the early solar system. The formation of the ocean and the subsequent development of life occurred during the first billion years of Earth's history. Life spread globally and has been altering Earth's atmosphere and surface, leading to the Great Oxidation Event 2 billion years ago. Humans emerged 300,000 years ago on Earth. Humans depend on Earth's biosphere and natural resources for their survival, but have increasingly impacted the planet's environment. Humanity's current impact on Earth's climate and biosphere is unsustainable, threatening the livelihood of humans and many other forms of life. The oldest material found in the solar system is nearly 4.5682 billion years ago. By 4.54 billion years, the primordial Earth had formed. The bodies in the solar system formed and evolved with the Sun. In theory, a solar nebula partitions a volume out of a molecular cloud by gravitational collapse, which begins to spin and flatten into a circumstellar disk, and then the planets grow out of that disk with the Sun. A nebula contains gas, ice grains, and dust, including primordial nuclides. According to nebula theory, planetesimals form by accretion, with the primordial Earth being estimated as likely taking anywhere from 70 to 100 million years to form. Estimates of the age of the Moon range from 4.5 giga annum billion years to significantly younger. A leading hypothesis is that it was formed by accretion from material loosed from Earth after a Mars-sized object with about 10% of Earth's mass, named Theia, collided with Earth. It hit Earth with a glancing blow, and some of its mass merged with Earth. Between approximately 4 and 3.8 billion years, numerous asteroid impacts during the late heavy bombardment caused significant changes to the greater surface environment of the Moon, and by inference, to that of Earth.